Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this Nissan T32. This new model X-Trail, and the current came for key duplicate. So most of the times you might find after buying the car you only have just one key, and basically you should have two keys when you're buying each car. So we are here to replace the other key and delete the previous keys that the car had. Remember, we do this at a very affordable rate, and you can reach out to us anytime you need key upgrade, flip key delete, and also other services like ECU programming and repairs.